Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make Ube Mamon. Let's get baking! For the cake mixture, we will need 2 cups of cake flour, 6 egg yolks, half cup of fresh milk, half cup of vegetable oil, half cup of water, half cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of ube extract, and half teaspoon of salt. For the meringue, we will need 10 egg whites, half cup of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. For the buttercream, we will need 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the egg yolks, sugar, whisk them together until it becomes pale yellow. Then, add the oil, milk, water, ube extract, and mix them together. Then, sift the flour, baking powder, salt, mix them together until well incorporated. In another bowl, add the egg whites, then, in a medium setting, beat them until it becomes frothy. Once frothy, add the cream of tartar, and continue beating until soft peaks are formed. Then, gradually add the white sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks are formed. By the way, I transfer my meringue into a bigger bowl. Now, put a bit of the cake mixture with the meringue to loosen it up. Gently fold it. Then, add the remaining cake mixture and fold them until well combined. Brush the molds with butter. Now, scoop the cake mixture and pour it into each mold and fill it around 3/4 full. Before baking, tap each mold to release air bubbles. Bake these in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, let them completely cool. In another bowl, add the butter, and cream the butter until it becomes light and fluffy. Then, add the powdered sugar, and using a spatula, mix them together to prevent the powdered sugar from going anywhere and using the hand mixer. Now, add the milk. Continue beating until they're well combined. Frost the top of the mamon with the buttercream. Then, top it with grated cheddar cheese. And here's our finished product! These mamons are so soft and fluffy. Perfect for an afternoon snack. And this is what it looks like inside. Look at that. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!